In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a contact sheet from Adobe Bridge. Now first, you want to open up the output window or workspace. So go to the top over here, click on these two arrows and click on output. If that's not visible, go to window up top, workspace, and then click on output from over here. Then from here, you want to select your template, your contact sheet. So top right, I'm just going to click on this contact sheet 1 over here, which is 2 by 2. Then you want to customize it. Of course, you can drop in the images you want to use. I'm just going to use a few of them over here like this. It doesn't really matter. And then here you can of course customize everything, such as your document things, the properties, background colors, etc. Down here you can also go and select and change grids and margins, headers and footers, watermarks, and PDF properties. Whenever you're done, click on export to PDF. You have to give it a name. I'm going to name this one Untitled 1, and I'm going to save it into my downloads folder. Then click on save, and it's going to save, and it's going to automatically open in your PDF viewer for me to open like this inside of my browser. So I'm just going to click on the print button top right, and from here you can select your printer, all the printing properties, and then print, and that's all you have to do to print a contact sheet from Adobe Bridge. Now it's not directly from Adobe Bridge, but still it works, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.